I have the sample file here and I'm ready to push it to GitHub. I've already committed it, but if I try to do git push origin main, push it to my GitHub repository, I get this error that says remote permission to this is denied to the wish. Now notice that I'm trying to push to this repository, but I'm trying to push as this user. So how can you fix this? To fix this, press your Windows key and search for Windows credentials, and just click on this and Windows credentials will open. If you are on web credentials, make sure you switch to Windows credentials. Now scroll down till you see GitHub. Here, click on remove and click on yes. So it had saved Git credentials of another user. Now just close this and try to push again. This time it will ask you to authenticate. So just click on sign in with your browser and it will open your account in browser, and choose the repository owner for which you are pushing the code. Just click on continue here, and now authentication is successful. You can close your browser and switch back to cursor, and here you can see the code is successfully pushed. And if I check git status, it will show your branch is up to date with origin main. And if I type git log, this is the new feature that we just pushed. If you switch back to our browser here to this repository, here you can see this was empty, but after the push, if I reload this, here you can see the latest push, and this new feature, this is the commit message, was recently pushed 3 minutes ago. So this is how you can fix the unauthorized error in cursor. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.